Mitutoyo has been bringing innovative metrology products to the market for more than 80 years. As a global leader in metrology, Mitutoyo strives to increase the quality, accuracy, and performance of its products to meet the world's measurement challenges. The Mitutoyo LH600e offers advanced performance for easy and reliable 2D measurements. With a measuring range of 0 to 38 inches and a 24-inch stroke, the LH600e provides highly accurate 2D measurements. The pneumatic system is mounted on floating or semi-floating bearings that enables the height of the air cushion to be set according to the mode of operation, thereby producing high test speeds without sacrificing accuracy. Interchangeable probes allow for flexible measurements on a variety of parts. In addition to basic functions including height and circle measurement, numerous other types of measurement such as displacement, straightness, and squareness are possible. Customizable part programs can be run automatically. One key operation allows for semi-automatic measurements. Built-in statistical functions and data output provide easy evaluation of data with SPC software such as MeasureLink. For more information on the LH600e, visit us online at mitutoyo.com.